Dimensional analysis checks formulas by making sure the units on both sides of an equation match. So if the units do not match, the formula is wrong. Think of each quantity in a formula as having a little label that says what kind of thing it is, like meters for length or seconds for time. And dimensional analysis simply follows those labels through the math to see if they cancel or combine correctly. When you multiply or divide quantities, you multiply or divide their unit labels the same way. And when you add or subtract, you can only combine quantities with the exact same unit labels. For example, if you add meters to seconds, the units will not match and the operation is invalid. But if you divide meters by seconds, you get meters per second, which is a new valid unit. When checking a derived formula, you replace every symbol with its base units and simplify. If the simplified units match the expected units for the result, the formula is likely correct. Common mistakes are treating units like numbers when adding or subtracting, which leads to nonsense results. So always check that only like units are combined. Another mistake is forgetting to convert units to the same system before checking, so convert everything to the same base units first. A third mistake is assuming dimensional consistency proves numerical correctness. But it only checks units, so also verify coefficients and factors by calculation or experiment. For more step-by-step examples and practice problems, visit our website www.gumballdegree.com to find videos and resources on using dimensional analysis to check formulas.